Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I basically recorded an intro for you, but my microphone decided to just play up and it was very noisy. So I've decided to go ahead and just do a voiceover for this section of the video. In today's video, I'm just going to be reviewing a wig from a company called ReadyWig. I had already reviewed a wig for them before. It was a pink synthetic wig. It's about 2 videos back or 3 videos back. But today we're going to reviewing a wig from their human hair collection. Okay, so the package was delivered by FedEx. It came pretty quickly. I'm just going to go ahead and just bust the package open. I always like to open the package once I'm filming, so this way, like, basically I feel like I'm opening the package along with you guys, so the same time that I get to see the wig is the same time that you guys get to see the wig. So yeah, I'm just gonna open the package. So you guys, I noticed that I have been talking in the video and I do have lipstick on my teeth. Like, couldn't you guys tell me that I've got lipstick on my teeth? Like, come on girl, like, come on. But anyways, back to the wig. So once I open the box, right, it comes with a card, and this card, you guys, have a lot of information regarding your hair bundles or your wigs. It basically tells you how to, you know, care for your wig, how to look after it, how to wash it, how to dry it. Everything that you need to know is literally on that card. On the back side of the card, there is more information, and also there's the social media handles for the company. So I will put all of ReadyWig's social media, all of the information in my description box down below. So next in the box, we've got a pair of nude wig caps, and we also have a little spray bottle. This bottle was included as well. It's just really good for spraying like water or like oils or whatever on your hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and just remove the net from the wig. The net basically protects the wig, so that's always a very good idea. And you guys, this wig is a bob wig and it's a brown color, but it's like a really nice brown color. And I'm just going to remove the tissue paper from inside the wig. Okay, so now it's time to look at the construction of the wig. Okay, I'm going to come a little bit closer because I want you guys to see everything, like everything. Okay guys, so now that we're up close and personal, we're going to go ahead and talk about this wig. This is a lace frontal wig, so which means that it has lace going all the way across the front from ear to ear. It also have a little bit of lace at the back as well if you want to stick that down, but that's entirely up to you. Moving along the inside of the wig, we have 3 combs, 2 at the side, 1 at the back. And we also have adjustable straps, so basically you can adjust the wig according to your head size. Okay, so this is what the front of the wig look like. They've created some baby hair for you, and the wig also comes pre-plucked. And then here I'm just giving you guys just a little close-up of the color of what the wig truly looks like, and it is a beautiful color. I do apologize for my camera refocusing, but I hope you guys can see that very clearly. And then now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the wig and then let you guys know what I truly think about the wig. Alright, so as you guys can see, I already put some powder on my wig cap, so we're going to go ahead and Ooh, this color though, you guys, I think this is going to be beautiful. All right. Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like in the middle part. It's just like straightened and it's in a middle parting. It's really, really cute. I didn't do any baby hair for this look, but the option is there, so if you want to do it, you can do it. Now let's see what else I can do with the wig. When I'm gonna wear the wig, it's gonna be a bit more tidied, you know. Baby hair is gonna be more on fleek, it's gonna look more pretty, it's gonna be more straightened. But I'm just trying to show you guys like something quick that you could do with the wig. So you could do this, and obviously you can also wrap your ponytail around in like a bun. So you have the little bun, the colored bun up there, you've got the black there, and you've got the brown, so it gives it like a nice look as well. So that's just two little ways of styling the wig. And you guys know it's lace frontal, so you can just be very creative with it. You know, you could do a side parting as well. If you don't want like a middle parting, you could do a side parting, which is my favorite. I love side partings. But I mean, come on, boo, like she pretty. Alright, so just my thoughts on the wig. I really, really like this wig. I like the fact that it's a long bob. I either like my bobs to be long or short. I don't like an in-between bob. So this was perfect, you guys, honestly. And the colour, I really love the colour. Also, one thing that I do like as well is the fact that it's dark roots, because it makes it look more realistic. As I always say, whenever I show these wigs, it's my first impression. So I can't speak for a month's time or 2 months time. It's my first impression. As you guys see, I opened the package while I'm showing it to you. Yeah, so far so good. I've spoken about the positives. I'm going to talk about the negative as well. So my only issue that I have with the wig is this right here. Let me just show it to you guys. Okay, so my only issue I had with the wig is the fact that I did get some shedding. What's new? It's nothing new. I do get shedding with a lot of my wigs. But basically, this is a coloured wig, so chances are you are going to get shedding from it. And I also cut the lace. When I was cutting the lace, I did cut a little bit of the hair off as well. So I don't know if that shedding is due to the fact that I cut some of the hair off, or it's just the wig shedding naturally. But it's not excessive. I mean, if you have no problem with that, then that's perfect. Yeah, but so far so good. I absolutely love the wig. And another thing I need to mention, you guys, the cap, the size of the cap is very, very generous. So if you do have like a larger head, which some people do, we all have different head shape, this wig will fit you perfectly, because even though it fits me, I feel like it still has a lot of space in it. So what I did, I used the adjustable straps, and it's perfect. But yeah, you guys, that's everything about the wig. I will list all of the details that you need to know in the description box down below. Bye guys.